Hello everyone, it's Jake here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn a new proverb. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. So what does it really mean? It means when traveling, follow the customs of the local people. Basically, it means that when you are in a new place or culture, you should follow the local customs and traditions. In fact, this helps you blend in, show respect, and avoid misunderstandings. For example, if you visit Japan, it's polite to bow when greeting others, just as the locals do. Now let's hear a conversation, people using this beautiful proverb.
Ray, I just can't get used to how different everything is here. The people, the food, the way they greet each other. It's all so unfamiliar.
I feel the same way. We've always been home buddies, and now everything is a struggle.
You know, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
What do you mean by that?
Well, instead of trying to make things feel like home, you should make an effort to follow the customs of the local inhabitants. Embrace the way they do things, and you'll feel a lot more comfortable.
So, you're saying we should just adapt and stop trying to change everything?
Exactly. If you embrace the culture and customs, it'll make your travels more enjoyable.
You know what? I think we've been making this harder than it needs to be. Let's try it.
Agreed. When in Rome, right?
I can't believe how much better this feels, now that we're actually following the local customs.
Yeah, it's amazing how much more fun we're having now that we're embracing it.
Look, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
But surely as a traveler you believe in the old doctrine, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
And when in Rome, do as the Romans do, right?
Well, who keeps saying when in Rome, do as the Romans do?
When in Rome, do as the Romans do.